Picture yourself stepping aboard a ship where the atmosphere feels less like a stiff formal affair and more like a floating resort with a relaxed, casual vibe. That's the reputation the AIDAstella has built up over the years, and it's exactly why so many cruisers keep coming back to this particular vessel. Part of the well-known AIDA Cruises fleet, the AIDAstella has carved out a niche as a ship that blends modern comforts with a laid-back cruising style. Today we're taking a closer look at what makes this ship tick, from the cabins to the buffets to the sun decks and everything in between. Now, before we dive in, it's worth setting expectations. The AIDAstella isn't trying to be the biggest, flashiest, or most extravagant ship on the sea. Instead, it aims for something a lot of travelers actually want: a comfortable, fun, and unpretentious cruise experience. And based on what regular cruisers say, it hits that mark more often than not. So let's start where most guests spend a good chunk of their downtime: the staterooms. The AIDAstella offers the range of accommodation types you'd expect from a modern midsize cruise ship, and there's something to suit just about every budget. At the entry level, you'll find interior cabins, which are the go-to choice for guests who plan to spend most of their time out and about on the ship. These rooms are compact but efficient, giving you a cozy place to sleep, shower, and store your things without breaking the bank. Moving up the ladder, ocean view cabins come with a window that lets in natural light and gives you a glimpse of the passing scenery. It's amazing how much difference a bit of daylight makes on a cruise, especially in the mornings when you can wake up and immediately see where you are in the world. These cabins tend to be popular with first-time cruisers who want a taste of the view without paying premium prices. For those willing to spend a bit more, balcony cabins are where things really start to feel special. Stepping out onto your own private outdoor space with a cup of coffee in hand while the ship glides across the sea is one of those simple luxuries that never gets old. Guests often say the balcony cabins are the sweet spot on this ship, offering enough space and privacy to make the cruise feel genuinely upscale without going full luxury pricing. At the top end, the suites deliver more square footage, upgraded furnishings, and often extra perks that vary depending on the category booked. Suite guests typically enjoy more generous living areas, better bathroom fittings, and a general sense that they're getting the VIP treatment. These are the cabins to consider if you want to travel in style or if you're planning a longer voyage where extra space really pays off. The ship also caters to families and travelers with mobility needs. Family-friendly cabins with additional bedding options are available for parents traveling with kids, and accessible staterooms are part of the mix as well. It's the kind of practical inclusivity that modern cruisers have come to expect, and it's good to see it available on this ship. In terms of in-cabin features, guests can expect the standard modern amenities you'd want on a cruise, including comfortable beds, private bathrooms with showers, ample storage, and climate control. The overall design leans toward bright, clean, and functional rather than opulent, which fits the casual identity of the AIDA brand nicely. It's not fussy, and that's part of the appeal. Now let's talk about food, because let's be honest, dining is one of the biggest reasons people love cruising in the first place. The AIDAstella offers a variety of dining venues designed to keep guests fed and happy throughout the day and well into the night. The main buffet-style restaurants are the heart of the daily dining experience, offering a rotating selection of international dishes that cover breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What guests tend to appreciate about the buffet approach is the flexibility. You're not locked into a specific dinner time or seated with strangers if you don't want to be. You just show up when you're hungry, grab what looks good, and sit wherever suits you. For families with kids or couples who prefer a spontaneous schedule, this is a huge plus. Beyond the main buffets, the AIDAstella also features specialty dining venues that give guests the option to enjoy a more focused culinary experience. These specialty restaurants typically require a reservation and sometimes come with an additional charge, but they're worth considering if you want to elevate a particular evening. Think of them as your date night options in the middle of the cruise. The specialty options usually explore different cuisines, so guests can enjoy anything from steakhouse-style meals to Italian classics or Asian-inspired dishes depending on availability. It's a nice way to break up the routine and make certain evenings feel a bit more like a proper night out. Many regular cruisers say booking at least one specialty dinner during their voyage really adds to the experience. The bar scene on the AIDAstella is another highlight worth mentioning. Scattered throughout the ship, various lounges and bars offer everything from morning coffee specialties to evening cocktails, wine, beer, and spirits. Some bars lean toward a relaxed lounge atmosphere, while others host live music or DJ sets in the evening, giving each venue its own distinct personality. Themed evenings and food events pop up throughout typical sailings as well, adding a bit of fun variety to the dining routine. These special nights are a favorite among returning guests because they turn what could be just another dinner into a small event. Whether you're a foodie or just someone who enjoys trying new things, the dining program here keeps things interesting. Moving up top, the pools and sun decks are where guests spend a lot of their sea days, and the AIDAstella delivers a solid outdoor experience. The main pool area is the social hub during sunny days, with loungers arranged around the water and a lively atmosphere that draws a crowd. It's the kind of place where you'll find families splashing about, couples reading books in the shade, and the occasional bartender wandering by to take drink orders. For guests who prefer a quieter experience, there are usually more secluded areas on the sun decks where you can escape the crowds and enjoy the sea breeze in peace. These quieter zones are perfect for reading, napping, or just watching the ocean roll past without the background noise of a busier pool deck. Cruisers who travel without kids often gravitate to these spots. Whirlpools are also part of the outdoor setup, offering a warm soak with a view that's hard to beat. There's something undeniably relaxing about sitting in a hot tub while the ship cuts through the waves and the horizon stretches out around you. It's one of those little cruise moments that guests remember long after the trip is over. The sun deck areas overall are designed for lounging, sunbathing, and socializing, with plenty of space to spread out on nicer days. Suns, shaded seating, and easy access to snack bars and drink stations mean you don't have to trek far to keep your day comfortable. It's a straightforward, well-executed outdoor experience that keeps guests happy without trying to overcomplicate things. When it comes to onboard activities, the AIDAstella keeps guests entertained with a mix of sporty, social, and cultural options. The fitness center is well equipped for anyone wanting to keep up their workout routine at sea, with cardio machines, weights, and enough space to move around without feeling cramped. Working out with an ocean view is one of those perks that never really gets old. For those who prefer group activities, various sports and recreational programs are typically offered throughout the voyage. Depending on the sailing, you might find things like sports tournaments, dance classes, or trivia games to fill your afternoons. These activities are a great way to meet other guests and keep your energy up between meals. Evening entertainment is a big part of the AIDA experience, and the AIDAstella hosts a variety of shows and performances designed to give guests something to look forward to after dinner. Musical performances, themed shows, and live entertainment take center stage in the main venues, drawing crowds that come dressed up for the occasion or just as they are. The relaxed vibe means you don't have to fuss about what to wear. Beyond the main theater performances, the ship's bars and lounges host their own smaller entertainment programs. Live bands, DJs, and solo performers set the mood in different venues throughout the evening, so guests can wander from one spot to another and find their preferred atmosphere. It's a bit like a floating entertainment district, and part of the fun is exploring what each venue offers. Cultural and educational programs also make an appearance, though these tend to vary by sailing and itinerary. Onboard talks, port previews, and interest sessions add depth to the experience for guests who want more than just sun and drinks. These enrichment options are a nice touch, especially on longer voyages. Now onto one of the most beloved parts of any cruise ship, the spa and wellness offerings. The AIDAstella features a wellness area that gives guests a place to unwind, recharge, and treat themselves after a busy port day or a long night out. Massage treatments, facials, and body therapies are typically part of the spa menu, delivered by trained therapists in a calm setting. Sauna and steam rooms are the kind of amenities that spa lovers rave about, and this ship generally offers a solid setup for guests who enjoy that traditional wellness experience. There's something particularly satisfying about a good steam session followed by a cool drink up on deck. It's the kind of self-care moment that turns a good cruise into a great one. Fitness classes are also available for guests who want a more structured way to stay active. Yoga, stretching sessions, and other group classes tend to fill up quickly, especially on sea days when the schedule opens up. Guests often say a morning yoga session on the ship sets the tone for a genuinely relaxing day. The wellness philosophy on AIDA ships in general leans toward giving guests a proper break from the stress of daily life, and the AIDAstella follows that same approach. Whether you want an intense workout, a full pampering day, or just a quiet spot to breathe, the wellness area has something to offer. Just be sure to book popular treatments early in the cruise because they can get busy. For families with kids and teens, the AIDAstella includes dedicated youth programs designed to keep younger guests entertained and engaged. Kids clubs are typically split by age group so that little ones and older children have activities suited to their interests and energy levels. This helps parents enjoy some grown-up time knowing the kids are having fun in a safe, supervised setting. The activities in these clubs generally include games, crafts, themed events, and social play, and the staff running these programs are used to keeping large groups of energetic kids entertained. Teens usually get their own dedicated space where they can hang out with peers away from the younger crowd. It's a smart approach that keeps different age groups happy without stepping on each other's toes. Families often say the kids' clubs are a major reason they choose AIDA for their vacation. When your children come back to the cabin exhausted and asking to go back the next day, you know the program is doing something right. It gives everyone in the family a proper vacation, not just the adults. Now let's talk about where the ship actually takes you, because a cruise is only as good as its destinations. The AIDAstella sails a variety of itineraries depending on the season, which means guests can find sailings that match their travel wish list. Popular cruise regions typically include European hotspots, Mediterranean gems, and occasionally further afield depending on the schedule. Each port opens up a new set of experiences, and the ship's shore excursion program helps guests get the most out of every stop. Excursions typically range from cultural sightseeing tour and historical explorations to active adventures like hiking, snorkeling, or bike tour. There are also more relaxed options for guests who prefer a leisurely beach day or a scenic drive. For food lovers, culinary excursions in port cities can be a real highlight, offering tastings, market visits, or cooking experiences that go beyond typical tourist stops. History buffs, meanwhile, can dive into guided tour of famous landmarks, museums, and cultural sites. The variety of shore excursion options means every port day can feel completely different from the last. Guests who prefer to explore on their own also have the freedom to do so, and many ports are easy enough to navigate independently. Whether you go with a booked tour or grab a map and wander, the destinations themselves are the real prize. That flexibility is part of what makes cruising so appealing for people who value their independence. So how does the AIDAstella hold up overall? The honest answer is that it's a solid, well-loved ship that delivers a fun and comfortable experience without pretending to be something it isn't. Its strengths lie in the casual atmosphere, the flexible dining, the entertainment variety, and the general sense that you can just relax and enjoy yourself without a lot of formalities. That informal style is a big draw for guests who want a proper vacation, not a strict itinerary. The buffet-focused dining setup, the accessible entertainment lineup, and the wellness options all combine to create a ship that's easy to enjoy. Families love the kids' programs, couples love the balcony cabins and specialty dining, and solo travelers appreciate the mix of social spaces and quiet corners. It's a ship that seems to have thought about a wide range of guests. On the flip side, guests looking for a full luxury experience with formal white glove service and grand ballrooms might find the AIDAstella a bit too casual for their taste. It's not that kind of ship, and it doesn't try to be. But if you go in with the right expectations, you'll almost certainly leave impressed. Space on very busy sailings can occasionally feel tight around popular areas like the main pool or top buffet spots during peak hours. This is common on many midsize ships and isn't unique to the AIDAstella, but it's worth knowing if you like a bit of breathing room. Timing your meals or pool time slightly outside the rush usually solves the problem. So what really makes the AIDAstella stand out from other ships in its size range? First, The informal, resort-style atmosphere is a signature part of the AIDA brand and one of the biggest selling points for guests who don't want a stuffy vacation. There are no dress code battles, no forced formal nights, and no pressure to conform to old-school cruise traditions. You can just be yourself and enjoy the trip. Second, the buffet dining concept, while not entirely unique, is executed with a lot of flexibility that guests really appreciate. Being able to eat when you want, where you want, and what you want removes a lot of the small stresses that can creep into a vacation. It's a small thing on paper, but it makes a big difference in practice. Third, the mix of onboard entertainment, wellness, and family-friendly features means the AIDAstella can serve a lot of different types of travelers under one roof. Whether you're a couple, a family, a solo cruiser, or a group of friends, the ship gives you enough variety to have your own kind of vacation. That flexibility is a real strength. Fourth, the ship's atmosphere tends to feel more youthful and lively compared to some traditional cruise lines. The music, the design, the pace of the day, it all leans toward the energetic and social. For guests who want a fun and modern cruise vibe rather than a formal one, the AIDAstella delivers. For guests planning events, meetings, or group gatherings, midsize ships like the AIDAstella often have flexible spaces that can accommodate private functions. While the ship is not primarily positioned as a corporate event venue, its lounges, meeting spaces, and dining areas can typically be arranged for private group use with advanced planning. Groups celebrating milestones, family reunions, or themed gatherings can find comfortable spaces to make their event feel special. Finally, let's talk about the guest experience highlights that make people rave about their AIDA voyages. The cruise-friendly and approachable style is a common thread in guest feedback, with many travelers describing the staff as warm, helpful, and genuinely happy to be there. That kind of positive energy is contagious and really shapes the tone of the cruise. Small touches, whether it's a personal recommendation from a bar staffer, a well-timed towel animal in the cabin, or a bartender remembering your favorite drink, all add up to something bigger. Cruisers who return to AIDA ships often say it's these little moments that make them feel like more than just another guest. It's the human side of cruising that keeps the ship's reputation strong. Sunsets from the sun deck, quiet mornings watching the ship approach a new port, and the buzz of an evening show all become the kind of memories that stay with you long after the cruise is over. The AIDAstella isn't necessarily the biggest or fanciest ship out there, but it delivers those meaningful cruise moments in abundance. And ultimately, those moments are what most people are really paying for. For anyone considering a relaxed, informal cruise on a well-run mid-sized ship, the AIDAstella is absolutely worth a look. It's a ship built for enjoyment, for social evenings, for beach days and buffets and balcony sunsets, and for the kind of vacation you want to talk about when you get back home. And in the crowded world of modern cruising, that's a formula that continues to win a lot of loyal fans.